Good day, everyone. Today, I will discuss the week 5 of our lesson in General Mathematics. The topics are solving real life problems involving inverse functions, representing real life situation using exponential functions, and the last is exponential functions, equation, and inequalities. The content standard, the learner demonstrate understanding of key concept of inverse function, exponential functions, and logarithmic function. The performance standard, the learner is able to apply the concept of inverse functions, exponential functions, and logarithmic functions to formulate and solve real-life problems with precision and accuracy. The most essential learning competencies are the learner solves problem involving inverse function, the learner represents real life situation using exponential function, the learner distinguishes between exponential functions, exponential equation, and exponential inequality. Lesson 1, real life problem involving inverse functions. Objective for this lesson, recall how to find the inverse of the functions, solve problems involving functions and interpret results, evaluate inverse functions and interpret the results. Let's do a recall. Find the inverse of the following functions. Number 1, g of x is equal to x raised to 5 minus 3. In finding the inverse of the following function, the first step is change g of x into y. Y is equal to x raised to 5 minus 3. The second step is interchange y and x. Meaning, pagpapalitin lang po natin si y and x. Kung y ito, gagawin nating x ito. Kung x to, gagawin po nating y to. X is equal to y raised to 5 minus 3. To get the new value of y, transpose negative 3. Kaya po si negative 3 magiging positive 3. Y raised to 5 is equal to x plus 3. To get the value of y, fifth root both sides. Fifth root of y raised to 5 is equal to the fifth root of x plus 3. Since ang exponent ni y dito ay 5 at ang radical sign natin ang kanyang root ay 5, cancel po natin itong dalawa to. Cancel. So, ang magiging sagot ay y is equal to the fifth root of x plus 3. So, our inverse function is fifth root of x plus 3. The second example, f of x is equal to 7x plus 10. Again, the first step is change f of x into y. Y is equal 7x plus 10. The next step is interchange y and x. X is equal to 7y plus 10. Again, to get the new value of y, transpose positive 10. Si positive 10, kapag tinranspose natin o inilipat natin, magiging negative. So we have 7y is equal to x minus 10. To get the value of y, divide both sides into 7. 7y divided by 7 is equal to x minus 10 divided by 7. Ika-cancel lang po natin ito. Cancel to. So we have y is equal to x minus 10 over 7. Therefore, our inverse is x minus 10 over 7. What's new? Anna's mother works in South Carolina, USA, as a domestic helper for a living. She sends of money in the Philippines each month. Recently, the exchange was $1 to 50.85 pesos. A. Complete the table by converting US dollar to peso. Dollar, $1, $5, $25, $50 and $100. The equivalent of $1 in peso is 50.85. To get the $5 equivalent to in peso, we will multiply 5 into 50.85. So 5 multiplied by 50.85, the product is 254.25. 25 multiplied by 50.85, the product is 1,271.25. 50 multiplied by 50.85, the answer is 2,542.50 pesos. 100 multiplied by 50.85, the answer is 5,085 pesos. Letter B. Write an equation that converts dollars into peso. Equation. So, converts dollar into peso. C of S is equal to 50.85 S. Write an equation that converts peso into dollar using the equation C. So we have C of P is equal to P over 50.85. Let's have a recall step in finding the inverse of function. Number 1, replace f of x with y. Number 2, interchange x and y. Number 3, solve for the new y from the equation in step 2. And 4, replace the new y with inverse function of x if the inverse is a. Example 1. Andrew and his friend are playing a number guessing game. Andrew asks his friend to think a positive number, then add 4 to the number. Next, square the resulting number and multiply the result by 3. Finally, divide the result by 2. If you are his friend and you get a result of 54, letter A, write an inverse function that will give you the original number. And letter B, determine the original number. So, paano natin hahanapin ang original function? So, gamitin lang natin yung mga friend listing to positive number. After that, add 4. Then, square the result number, multiply, and divide by the result by 2. Solutions. To find the inverse, represent a model for the situation. Let x be the number that you think of. X plus 4 represent the statement, add 4 to the number. Quantity of x plus 4 square represent the statement, square the resulting number. 3 multiply by or quantity of x plus 4 square represent the statement, multiply the result by 3. 3 quantity of x plus 4 square over 2 represent the statement, divide the result by 2. Therefore, the model for the situation is f of x is equal to 3 quantity of x plus 4 square over 2. To find the inverse of f of x is equal to 3 quantity of x plus 4 square over 2, first change f of x into y. Y is equal to 3 quantity of x plus 4 square over 2. The next step is interchange y and x. X is equal to 3 quantity of y plus 4 square over 2. The next step is to find the new y, multiply both sides by 2. So 2 multiplied by x, the answer is 2x. 3 quantity of y plus 4 square over 2 multiply by 2, ika-cancel na lang natin yung 2 dito at yung multiply natin kay 2. The answer is 3 quantity of y plus 4 square. To get the value of y, divide both sides by 3. 2x divided by 3 is equal to quantity of y plus 4 square. Now, to get the value of y, square both sides or square root both sides. Square root of 2x over 3 is equal to the square root of quantity y plus 4 square. Since ito ang exponent nito is 2 at ang radical sign natin ay nasa squared root, kaya cancel, cancel. Ang sagot natin is square root of 2x over 3 is equal to y plus 4. To get na new y, transpose 4. That's why our inverse function is y is equal to square root of 2x over 3 minus 4. Next is find the original number. Use the inverse of the function, evaluate inverse function of 54. So, we will use our inverse function. Inverse function of x is equal to the square root of 2x over 3 minus 4. Since the value ng x natin ay 54, let's substitute the value of x into 54. Inverse function of 54 is equal to square root of 2 multiplied by 54 over 3 minus 4. Now, i-multiply lang po natin yung 2 and 54. Inverse function of 54 is equal to square root of 2 multiply the 54. The answer is 108 over 3 minus 4. Inverse function of 54, square root of 108 divided by 3, the answer is 36.4. Since the 36 ay perfect square root of 36 is 6. That's why inverse of 54 is equal to 6 minus 4. The original number is 2. Example number 2. To convert from degrees Fahrenheit to Kelvin, the function is k of t is equal to 5 over 9 quantity of t minus 32 plus 273.15, where t is the temperature in Fahrenheit. Kelvin is the international unit system of temperature. Find the inverse function converting the temperature in Kelvin to degrees Fahrenheit. Solution. The equation of the function is k is equal to 5 over 9 quantity of t minus 32 plus 273.15. We're looking for t. Solve for t in terms of k. So this is our equation. Now, to get the value of t or to get the new t, we will transpose 273. Once na transpose natin si 273, yung kanyang positive sign ay magiging negative. So we have k minus 273.15 is equal to 5 over 9 quantity of t minus 32. To get the t, multiply both side by 9 over 5. Bakit kay 9 over 5 at hindi kay 5 over 9? Kapag si 5 at over 9, 5 over 9, multiply nyo kay 5 over 9, 45 over 81. So, walang makakancel. Hindi natin mahanap si t. Kaya reciprocal, 9 over 5. So, 9 over 5 multiplied by k minus 273.15 is equal to 5 over 9 quantity of t minus 32 multiplied by 9 over 5. So, 5 multiplied by 9, 45. 9 multiplied by 5, 45. So, cancel lang natin to. So, t minus 32 or quantity of t minus 32 multiply by 1, same pa din siya. Quantity of t minus 32. Now, 9 over 5 quantity of k minus 273.15 is equal to t minus 32. To get the t, so t transpose negative 32. So magiging si negative 32 magiging positive 9/5 quantity of k minus 273.15 plus 32 is equal to t. So ito na yung ating inverse function where k is the temperature in the example 3. The SSG officers of Tanzan National Comprehensive High School are planning for a JS prom. The allocated budget for decoration, sounds, and other miscellaneous expenses is 10,000 pesos. In an additional 150 pesos for meal expenses for each guest. The organization received an amount of 40,000 from its external stakeholders. Letter A. Write the total allocated budget as a function of the number of guests. Letter B. Find the inverse of the function. Letter C. State the domain and range for this situation. Letter D. Find the possible number for a budget of 40,000 pesos. Solution. Write the total allocated budget as a function of the number of guests. Let x be the number of guests, f of x be the allocated budget as a function of the number of guests. So we have f of x is equal to 10,000 plus 150x. Letter B, find the inverse of the function. The first step is change f of x into y. Y is equal to 10,000 plus 150x. The next step is interchange y and x. X is equal to 10,000 plus 150y. To get na new y, transpose 10,000 to the left side. So, si positive 10,000 magiging negative. So, x minus 10,000 is equal to 150y. To get the y, divide both sides by 150. So, x minus 10,000 over 150 is equal to 150y over 150. So, cancel lang natin to. X minus 10,000 over 150 is equal to y. So, this is the inverse function na. State the domain and range for this situation. For this situation, we will use the inverse of function to find the domain and range of the situation. Inverse function of x is equal to x minus 10,000 over 150. So, inverse function, what is the value of x? 40,000. Sampun natin kinuha yung 40,000. Another given na po iyon na ibibigay ng organization doon po sa JS Prom. So, we have 40,000 is equal to 40,000 minus 10,000 over 150. So, inverse function of 40,000 is equal to 40,000 minus 10,000 is 30,000 over 150. Inverse function of 40,000, 30,000 divided by 150, the answer is 200. So, ang domain natin is, pag sinabi nating domain, it tells x. So, set of x element of number such that 0 is less than or equal to x less than or equal to 200. Meaning, yung ating value ng x ay hindi po dapat tumaas pa sa 201. Bakit po? Kasi po kapag nag-201 dyan, yung allocated na budget na 40,000 ay kukulangin po. Kaya po, dapat ang value ng x natin ay equal sa 200 or less than 200 pesos. Our range, kapag sinabi nating range, it tells y. Set of y element of real number such that 0 less than or equal to y less than or equal to Y, 40,000 pesos. Solution, find the possible number for a budget of 40,000. Kanina nakuha natin ay 200, yun po yung sagot. Therefore, for a budget of 40,000 pesos, 200 student may attend the JS Prom. If there are more than 200 students, the organization needs to think of other means to raise additional funds for the prom. Example 4. A Google Play Music allows member to download songs for 203.40 pesos, each after paying a monthly service charge of 762.75 pesos. The total monthly cost C of X of the service in peso is C of X is equal to 762.75 plus 203.40x, where the x is the number of songs downloaded. So ito yung ating magiging function. Letter A, find the inverse of the function. Letter B, what do x and inverse of x represent in the context of the inverse function? Letter C, how many songs were downloaded if a member's monthly bill is 3,813.75? Solution, letter A, find the inverse of the function. So ito yung ating magiging equation. Yan. C of x is equal to 762.75 plus 203.40x. Again, the first step is change C of x into y. Y is equal to 762.75 plus 203.40x. The second step is interchange y and x. X is equal to 762.75 plus 203.40y. To get the new y, transpose 762.75. Kaya po siya naging negative. Lumampas sa equal sign. X minus 762.75 is equal to 203.40. To get the y, divide both sides by 203.40. So x minus 762.75 divided by 203.40 is equal to 203.40y over 203.40. Ika-cancel lang po natin yan. Kaya po ang sagot natin is x is equal to 762.75 over 230.4. Therefore, the inverse function is inverse function of x is equal to x minus 762.75 over 203.40. Letter B. What do x and inverse function of x represent the context of the inverse function? So si x, siya po yung ating the total monthly cost of the service, and in the inverse of function of x, the number of songs downloaded. Letter C. How many songs were downloaded if a member's monthly bill is 3,813.75? If our x is 3,813.75, isa-substitute lang natin siya sa ating inverse function. So, inverse function of 3,800.75, may x tayo dito kaya sa substitute lang natin yung 3,813.75 minus 762.75 over 203.40 is equal to 15. Check nga natin kung 15 talaga yung sagot. So, inverse function, so 3,813.75 minus 762.75, ang sagot po niyan is 3,051. Now, when we divide 3,051 to 203.40, the quotient is 15. So 15 is equal to 15. Therefore, there are 15 songs downloaded if a member's monthly bill is 3,813.75. Example 5. Maria wants to buy a particular breed of bangus, and she is aware that weight of a particular breed of bangus is related to its length. Given this function, so ito yung ating gagamitin function, weight is equal to quantity of 5.32 times 10 raised to negative 3 length square. A. Find the inverse and letter B. Determine the approximate length of a bangus that weighs 0.769 kilogram. Solution. Letter A, find the inverse. This is the original equation. W is equal to the quantity of 5.32 times 10 raised to negative 3 length square. To find the L, divide both sides by 5.32 times 10 raised to negative 3. So W over 5.32 times 10 raised to negative 3 is equal to the quantity of 5.32 times 10 raised to negative 3 length square over 5.32 times 10 raised to negative 3. So, kakancel lang natin to. So, W is equal to 5.32 times 10 raised to negative 3 is equal to L square. To get the value of L or to get the L, square root both sides. Square root of W over 5.32 times 10 raised to negative 3 is equal to square root of L square. Since may exponent ng 2 tayo dito at ang ating radical sign naman ang root niya ay 2, so cancel. So the answer will be square root of W over 5.32 times 10 raised to negative 3 is equal to L. So this is our inverse function. Now, letter B, determine the approximate length of bangus that weighs 0.769 kilogram. So yung W dito, isa-substitute lang natin sa 0.769. So inverse function of L is equal to the square root of weighs weight rather over 5.32 times 10 raised to negative 3. So inverse function of 0 inverse function of L, anong ating weight, which is 0.769 over 5.32 times 10 raised to negative 3. So, square root of 0.769 divided by 5.32 times 10 raised to negative 3, the answer is square root of 154. Square root of 154.55 is 12.02. Therefore, the length of the bangus is 12.02 centimeter.